We're looking at two Turkmen tent bands here. I was going to try and keep it under a minute, but then I really wouldn't be doing these justice, so it's going to take a bit longer. Now, they're both antique Turkmen tent bands. This one is late 19th century, and this one is early 20th century. Now, Turkmens, they're very, some people think the carpets and the designs that they have is simple. It's not. Every tribe has its own motifs, and that's how they recognize them. Obviously the weave as well. The weave is slightly different. I will show you in a minute. But this one is a Teke from the Teke tribe, and this one is from Yamud tribe. Let's start by looking at the weave first. Look at this beautiful fringes here. Now, you can't even see it. It looks like a cloth when you look at it from the back. That's how fine it is. It's all wool and really fine quality. While we're here, let's look at the motifs. It's so beautifully drawn. If you look at all the motifs here, and you've got sort of a double technique, is piled and keelim. And the colors, I don't know if it's coming out there, but they're really lovely. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece. You won't see too many like this, even though it's a fragment. It's still a wonderful piece to have. This one from the Yamud tribe, again, it's a slightly different technique. If you see, this is called the sumac technique, when it's hanging out there, but it's not as fine as the other one, but it's still lovely colors, really good motif. It's not very busy. There's bits of cotton in this as well, and just look at this. I thought this was something sticking out, but it's something that the weaver does. And this is the wonderful thing about these nomadic type of textiles. It is the weaver just suddenly putting something in because they like it, and it gives it so much character. Now, even though this is a fragment and this is about 13 meters, it's a really long piece, and in feet, I'm trying to think what would it be for our American friends. 13 meters is about, 40 feet, 45 feet, something like that. My maths isn't very good. But they're both a similar price. And this is why even a fragment can have value if it's significant enough and old enough.